feel that this mixture is very sticky. And it's got no eggs, no meat, no eggs, no dairy. This is pinto beans, chia seeds, hemp seeds, black sesame seeds, a little bit of water, and a little bit of oil. And we'll just try frying those up and we'll see what happens. These things cook up pretty easily, at least on the outside. I don't know how deeply they're being cooked up, but you get that nice look to them on the outside. You can eat everything in this raw, so it doesn't really matter, I suppose. The question will be, what does it taste like? So I'm thinking this might be around the finished product. Hard to tell, but I figure if we cooked it too long, it might get a little dry, it might get a little burnt. You know, it's starting to crumble, as you can see. So I'm thinking this might be about it. Yeah, homemade, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan veggie patties. Now, as luck would have it, all I have for fixings is mustard, ketchup, and mayo, Veganese to be exact. Normally I'd like lots of tomatoes and pickles, but I don't have those things. So we'll put some ketchup here. Get a little ketchup on, because I know this is going to be pretty dry. Well, I figured. So we'll see how this goes. All right, here goes nothing. Too much mustard. Not bad. Not bad at all for a first attempt.